Hi, I'm Ritesh from MRE Digital, experts in system integration and e-commerce connectivity. Today, we are introducing Ecommpay for BigCommerce. Ecommpay is a payment provider designed to support e-commerce businesses with global acquiring, payment gateways, and risk management solutions. If you are looking to streamline your checkout and offer a smooth, secure payment experience, Ecommpay has you covered. To get started, log into your BigCommerce store and head over to the app marketplace. Then, in the search box, search up Ecommpay. Click on the application and click Get this app. After the secondary login, you click Install, and then you get a list of information regarding the PCI and other things that the apps can do. If you're happy with everything, click Confirm, and then in a couple of seconds, your app will be installed. This is of course free of charge. Please check out the next video where we show you how to configure your integration and then you can start using Ecommpay.